Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we will be continuing on the topic of blood pressure. Okay, so in the last class, we have discussed about blood pressure and also uh, the measurement, how to measure with the help of stethoscope as well as sphygmomanometer and as well as digital this one BP machine. So today we will discuss about this high blood pressure. Okay, so the normal blood pressure is how much? Normal is 120 by 80. Okay, so this is the chart. So it is sometimes it used to be less. Okay, so but normally it used to be it used to start from 120 by 80. Okay, systolic is 120 means upper side and diastolic is downside. Okay, systolic you remember now when the heart contracts. When the heart contracts, it means systolic. The first sound which you will be hearing is known as systolic blood pressure, and the second sound, that is when the heart relaxes, you'll be able to hear that sound. That one is known as diastolic blood pressure. Okay, so this one it will be less than or else it will be same as 80. And next is what? Next blood pressure is, if it is elevated means if it is a bit upper means a bit upside, so you'll get 120 120 से लेके 129 तक. Understand? Means it will be 120 in between 120 and in 129, and it will be less than 80. The diastolic blood pressure, it will be 80. And if the person is having high blood pressure, that is hypertension stage 1, then the temperature will be in between 130 and 139, and in the diastolic it will be in between 80 to 89. Okay, and in high blood pressure, that is hypertension stage 2, what you will get? You will get that the systolic blood pressure, it will be higher, means it will be higher than 140. Okay, that is in the systolic you will be getting. And in the diastolic, that is down, how much you will be getting? It will be higher than 90. Okay, and next is hypertensive crisis. Okay, that means it's very much severe blood pressure. So it will be higher than 180, and means the systolic blood pressure will be higher than 180, and the diastolic blood pressure means the lower one, it will be higher than 120. Understand? So this is the values, you can say. These are the values which you will be getting in high blood pressure. Okay, did you understand everyone? सबको समझ में आया? Yes? Yes, did you understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So high blood pressure. So if the patient is, or if the person is having high blood pressure means what? Hypertension. From the name itself, hyper मतलब ज़्यादा, hyper means up. Okay. So what happens here? The patient might have heart disease. Okay, means if the patient is having high blood pressure, the patient is at the risk of having heart disease and maybe stroke, and sometimes it leads to death. Okay, the person might lose his life also, and it will be above 160 by 90 mm of Hg. If the person is having high blood pressure, the blood pressure will be 160 by 90 mm of Hg. Understand? Yes, did you understand? Everyone? हाइपरटेंशन मत का मतलब क्या? हाइपर मतलब ज्यादा. देखिए, अगर एक इंसान का हाइपरटेंशन होने से उसका क्या हो सकता है? उसका ब्लड प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा. और क्या क्या हो सकता है? उसका हार्ट डिजीज हो सकता है, उसको स्ट्रोक भी हो सकता है और उसको मतलब उसका जान भी चला जा सकता है। ठीक है, और उसका बीपी कितना होगा, उसका बीपी 160/90 mm of Hg से ज्यादा हो जाएगा। ठीक है, समझ में आया? Do you understand about hypertension?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what are the causes of hypertension? Causes means what? Because of means hypertension is occurring because of what? Hypertension is why the people are having hypertension. Hypertension दूसरे लोग को क्यों होता है? पहला ये है कि स्मोकिंग, धूम्रपान, वो सब स्मोक करना, ठीक है, स्मोकिंग. So because of smoking, the person can have hypertension. Next is being overweight or obese. Being overweight or obese means what? Means overweight, too much fat, बहुत ज्यादा मोटापा. ठीक है, अगर बहुत ज्यादा मोटा होने से उसका हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है. Next is what? Lack of physical activity. Lack of physical activity means what? If the person is not doing anything, only eating, sleeping, okay, only eating, sleeping, nothing else doing like physical activities like anything, working or else maybe jumping, maybe running, walking, all this. If the person is just sitting and like eating, sleeping, so the person can have hypertension. नेक्स्ट क्या है, अगर एक इंसान कुछ काम नहीं करने से, ठीक है, अगर कुछ काम नहीं करने से सिर्फ खाना पीना, बैठ के खाना पीना, ये सब करने से उसको हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है. Next what it is, too much salt in the diet means if the person takes too much amount of salt, okay, salty food, maybe chips and all are salty or not? Yes, all this, not only chips, even pickles, all this. If the person is consuming too much of salt in the diet, the person can have hypertension. अगर एक इंसान मतलब बहुत ज्यादा नमक वाला मतलब चीज खाने से, चिप्स बोलो, पिकल बोलो, अचार बोलो, ये सब ज्यादा खाने से क्या होगा, उसको हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? टू मच अल्कोहल कंजम्पशन means if the person consume too much of alcohol, if the person drinks too much of alcohol, then the person can have hypertension. अगर एक इंसान बहुत शराब पीने से, तो ज्यादा शराब पीने से उसको हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है. ठीक है, समझ में आया? Did you understand why do we have hypertension? How can we have hypertension? Yes, did you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is what? Stress. Okay, so if the person is having too much stress, maybe tension everywhere, maybe in terms of relationship, maybe in terms of too much load of work, or maybe anything, like if the person is too much stress, having too much tension, then the person can also have hypertension. Next is older age, means aged people who are a bit old in age, they can have hypertension. Next is genetics. Genetics means what? Means if your forefathers were having hypertension, and suppose your grandfather was having hypertension, so you are also at the risk of having hypertension. Okay, so it means genetics, family history, you can say. This one, family history of blood pressure means if your grandfather or your grandmother was having hypertension, then you are also at the risk of having hypertension. Even your, like when you will have kids, even your kids will also are at the risk of having hypertension. Next is what? Chronic kidney disease means if you are having kidney disease, at that time you can have hypertension. Next is adrenal and thyroid disorders. Okay, if you will have disorders in the adrenal and thyroid, okay, all these are the glands, adrenal gland, thyroid gland, which I'll be explaining to you in theory class. Okay, anatomy or theory class, it's there, this endocrine system. So I'll be explaining to you this endocrine and adrenal system. So the person will have, if the person will have adrenal and thyroid disorders, the person can have hypertension. Next is sleep apnea. Sleep apnea means what? Sleep disorders. If the person can't sleep properly at night, okay, means maybe he's not sleeping at all, or maybe only 1 hour in one night. So in all this case, the person can have hypertension. फर्स्ट इज पहला आता है स्ट्रेस. कब कब में हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है? पहला आता है स्ट्रेस. अगर बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस होने से एक इंसान उसका हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? ओल्डर एज, मतलब बुरे लोग को ना मतलब ये हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? जेनेटिक्स, मतलब अगर उसका ग्रैंडफादर या ग्रैंडमदर, दादाजी या नाना ये सब तो होने से तुम्हें हो सकता है और तुम्हारे बच्चे लोग को भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं जेनेटिक्स. नहीं तो फिर फैमिली हिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? क्रॉनिक किडनी डिजीज. अगर उसका किडनी में बहुत मतलब वो होने से, ठीक है, एक डिजीज होने से उसको हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? एड्रिनल एंड थायराइड डिसऑर्डर्स. अगर उसका एड्रिनल ग्लैंड और थायराइड ग्लैंड में डिसऑर्डर मतलब अच्छे से फंक्शन नहीं कर पा रहे, उसको हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? स्लीप एपनिया. स्लीप एपनिया मतलब अगर उसको रात को ये सब अच्छे से नींद नहीं आने से, नींद बार बार टूट जाने से उसको हाइपरटेंशन हो सकता है. ओके, आर यू क्लियर एवरीवन? कॉजेस ऑफ हाइपरटेंशन. Yes, is it clear everyone? Yes, is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is symptoms of hypertension. Means if the person will have hypertension, what are the symptoms which you will find in that person? Okay, अगर एक इंसान का hypertension होने से उसका उसके शरीर में हम लोग को क्या क्या देखने को मिल सकता है या मिलेगा? ठीक है. फर्स्ट क्या है? हेडेक. उसका सर बहुत दर्द होगा. The first symptom which you will find in hypertension patient or hypertensive patient is headache. Okay, the head means his or her head will pain too much. Next is shortness of breath. Shortness of breath means what? Difficulty in breathing. उसको सांस लेने में तकलीफ होगा. Next is what? Nose bleeds. Means the nose will bleed. उसका नाक से खून निकलेगा. From the nose, like blood will come out. Okay, it will bleed. Next is dizziness. Dizziness means means your head will circle, it will rotate. उसको चक्कर आएगा. Dizziness. Next is what? Chest pain. Your chest, this part, it will pain. Okay, this one, chest pain. Next is visual changes. Visual changes means what? Means the vision means whatever the person is seeing. Okay, whatever the person is viewing, it won't be clear. Okay, it won't be clear means it will be blur. Visual changes मतलब क्या? मतलब उसको मतलब जो जो चीजें उसको बाहर से दिखाई जो देता है वो क्लियर नहीं होगा, ब्लर भी हो सकता है. Next is what? Blood in the urine. Okay, it means in the blood, in the urine, blood will be there. Understand? Did you understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ.
Symptoms of severe hypertension. Repeat again, ma'am.
ओके, फर्स्ट हेडेक. उसको सर दर्द होगा. ठीक है. हाइपरटेंशन. हाइपरटेंशन मतलब क्या? हाइपरटेंशन मतलब बीपी हाई होना, ब्लड प्रेशर हाई होना. ठीक है, उसको सर दर्द होगा. नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ, मतलब उसको सांस लेने में तकलीफ होगा. नेक्स्ट क्या है? नोज ब्लीड्स. उसका नाक से खून निकलेगा. नेक्स्ट डिजीनेस, मतलब उसका मतलब चक्कर आएगा. डिजीनेस मतलब चक्कर आना. नेक्स्ट चेस्ट पेन, उसका चेस्ट मतलब उसका छाती पे इस साइड पे दर्द होगा। नेक्स्ट क्या है, विजुअल चेंजेस, मतलब जो देख रहा है मतलब जब देखेगा, जब आंख खोल के देखेगा उसका पूरा मतलब देखने का वो क्लियर नहीं होगा, मतलब ब्लर ब्लर होगा। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्या है, ब्लड इन द यूरिन, मतलब उसका यूरिन, उसका पेशाब में खून होगा। ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? यस, हाँ,
Yes.
आर यू क्लियर एवरीवन? Yes, is it clear to you? Is it clear? Deep Jyoti, Haloy, are you clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, risk factors of hypertension. Means what? Means who are at the risk of having hypertension? किस किस को ज्यादा रिस्क है हाइपरटेंशन होने का, किस किस को ज्यादा रिस्क है? किसको ज्यादातर हो सकता है? Who are mostly likely to have? Understand? Means who can have, means who are at the chance of having hypertension? The first one is age. Age, blood pressure tends to rise with age. Means as you grow older, your blood pressure will rise up. Okay, automatically, like it will just rise up. It won't be same just like your adult days, during your gloomy days, you can say, during during your healthy stage, or else gloomy days. Not gloomy means healthy days, happy days, you can say. सो द फर्स्ट वन, पहला क्या मिलेगा, उम्र, उम्र के हिसाब से ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ेगा। जैसे जैसे तुम्हारा उम्र बढ़ेगा तब मतलब ब्लड प्रेशर भी बढ़ जाएगा। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्या है, रेस एथनिसिटी, मीन्स व्हाट, it depends upon the place from where are you from. Okay, so this mostly this high, who will have this African American adults, they have this high blood pressure. Okay, this one is not that much important. Next is weight. So who are at the risk of having hypertension? Means the person who are what, who are obese, means whose height, sorry, whose weight is higher. Okay, means person with fat people, you can say. So all this type of people, are mostly likely to have hypertension. Okay, means who are having like their weight is too much now, all these people, they are at the risk of having hypertension. Next is sex, means uh, gender, you can say. So before age 55, men are mostly likely to have. So we can find that mostly this 55, okay, 55 years of age men are most likely to have blood pressure than women. And after, at the age of 55, women are more likely to have. Understand? Next is what, lifestyle. It depends upon your lifestyle also. I've already said in the previous slide. Means if your lifestyle is like what to say, not working, okay, sedentary lifestyle, only eating, sleeping. So in this case, the person can have hypertension. Understand? And if the person is eating too much sodium, sodium means what? Is in salt. Understand? So if the person is consuming too much of salt, then or else the person is consuming too much of this one, alcohol, smoking. If the person is not doing anything, then the person can have hypertension. Next is family history. So this is the family history. So in family history, what you will find that the person can have hypertension. The person can have hypertension. How? The person can have hypertension maybe because your grandfather was having, so you will also have, and maybe because your grandmother was having, so you are also at the risk of having. Okay, so family history means that one. So how to prevent from getting hypertension means how will you prevent from it? First one is eating a healthy diet, means you should eat a healthy diet in order to come away from this hypertension. Okay, so what you should do, you should eat less amount of salt. Okay, your food should contain less amount of salt, and your food should also contain uh, which fats are low, no? Fatty fats are low, and you can have foods. Okay, you can have fruits, vegetables, grains. So all these things you can have, but you should limit your the amount of salt which you have every day. You should limit it. And next is what? Getting regular exercise. Okay, you should maintain your physique by what? Doing exercise. Okay, so all these things can you can prevent from getting not getting hypertension. Next is being a healthy weight. So it's same thing like if you maintain your weight, okay, if you maintain your diet, so automatically like you will become healthy in your weight. So you should maintain that one. And again, prevent means limiting alcohol. Okay, so because of having alcohol, you can have hypertension, so you should avoid it. Because in alcohol, there are extra calories, and because of that, the person gains weight. So you should consume limited amount of alcohol, or else you should avoid it. Next is not smoking. You should not smoke, because if you smoke, what happens? Cigarette, what does it do? It raises your blood pressure, and you are mostly likely to have heart attack or stroke. And next is what? Managing stress. You should manage your stress. Okay. For example, maybe by listening music, maybe by doing exercise, maybe by doing meditation. So these are the things you should do if you have hypertension. Are you clear about hypertension, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for today, I will discuss till here.